Alright, so we got the body. I've already used the liquid mask on it. I finally got that to spray. And I've cut out everywhere I want it black. So the window trim, and a little bit of the lights back here. But we're going to get to painting all that black. And then everything else is getting painted white, except for this part, which I have already painted. Which is the, for light turn signal light part, whatever you want to call it. This part that goes inside the front grille. Like this. Lights, and then peel all the rest of the mask out so I can start painting the white. It took way too long to get all that out of there. But we can finally start spraying white, so I'm gonna get... Alright, as you can see, I went ahead and put on the body lines and did the tail lights with the Sharpie and everything. Now this isn't entirely put together yet. Everything's still just kind of sitting here. Nothing's been shoe-glued together at all. So it's all kind of just floating on there, or I got it taped together. Like, none of this is actually down yet. So this is what it looks like, or will look like, which is awesome. Today, we're working on lights. I got 4 of these orange ones, but I only need 2. And I got 2 red ones, but I need 4. So we got more red LEDs, and we're gonna put the LEDs in the light buckets. I'm gonna get to work. So we got this piece, and you see how the lenses are clear? Well, if I turn it just enough, I don't know if I can get you to see it, but the inside, just the edge, is chrome. But the lens is supposed to be clear, but it should look more chromy, so I took a piece of Lexan sheet, cut it out, painted it, and then that'll go behind there. So it'll give it that 3D effect while having it look chromish. Yeah.